How to use DaVinci Resolve for Instagram videos. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Then, go to the Edit tab. To make your video fit Instagram, you need to change the timeline settings. Go to the File menu, then Project Settings. Find the timeline resolution and set it to 1080 by 1920 pixels for vertical videos or 1080 by 1080 pixels for square videos. Next, import your video clips by dragging them into the media pool. After that, drag your clips to the timeline. You can now start editing by cutting or trimming clips. Use the blade tool to cut and selection tool to move clips easily. Then, add some effects or text. To add text, click on the effects library, choose titles, and drag the one you like onto the timeline above your video clip. Double-click the text to type what you want. Also, make sure to add some background music or sounds. Import audio files the same way you import videos. Adjust the sound level so it does not cover the voice or important parts. When you finish editing, it is time to export your video. Go to the Deliver page, select the format as MP4, and set the resolution again to match your timeline. Make sure to pick the right folder where you want to save the video. Click Add to Render Queue and then press Render All. Finally, check your saved video on your phone or computer before posting to Instagram. This way, you make sure everything looks perfect. And that's it. Now you know how to use DaVinci Resolve for Instagram videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.